This is the Combining Like Terms video. Please open your MSG to page 79. Like terms must have the same variable. The coefficients may be different. Example, 6x and 3x are like terms. Like terms may be a constant. Example, 4, 32, 5 and 7/10, 5, 6 are all like terms. Exponents of a variable must be the same in order for them to be like terms. So again, exponents of a variable must be the same in order for them to be like terms. Example, 2y to the second power and 7y to the second power are like terms. The variable and the exponent are the same. A non-example. 9n to the second power and 2n to the third power are not like terms. The exponents are different. Another non-example. 4a to the second power and 4b to the second power are not like terms. The variables are different. So again, exponents of a variable must be the same in order for them to be like terms, and the variable must be the same as well. Identify the like terms. You may use different shapes, such as triangles, squares, and rectangles, as well as circles to separate your like terms. So, for example, I'm going to use a box or a square to signify first my like terms of 3t and 7t. They share the same variable. They both have a buddy that is the letter t, or the variable t. That's their buddy. They have common buddies. Okay? Then I look around and I see, okay, 4w, 4 and w are buddies. I'm going to use the triangle. And 5w are buddies. They both share the common buddy of w. Now notice the coefficients are different, but the variables are the same. Okay? And finally we have 9v, 5v, and 8v all have, again, the same buddy, in this case the variable v. Okay? And I will put a circle around these numbers, signifying that they are different. Okay? Okay, now let's find the like terms in this set of numbers and variables or expressions. Well, if we look, let's see, first we have 9x and 7x share the same buddy of x, and also they both do not have an exponent. So I'm going to put a box around these two. Okay? And then 7x. So both 9 and 7x share the same buddy of x. Okay? And 2x to the second power and 4x to the second power, they both have the same variables, and they both have the same exponents, so they must be like terms. So I'm going to put a triangle to signify these two are alike. And then finally we have 6y squared, who does not have any common buddies. Because even though they have the same exponent, 6y to the second power has the same exponent as some, it does not have the same variable. Therefore, it is by itself. And I'm just going to leave him by itself. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, first 9x squared. Does 9x squared have any common terms? Meaning we're looking for, is there a number that's with the same variable and same exponent? Yes, it shares, 7 shares x squared as well, so they both have common variables and exponents. Therefore they are like terms. I'm going to use a box or rectangle to separate them. Then next I'm going to look 9y. Does 9y have any like terms? Yes. 9y and 2y again share the same buddy and same variable. So I'm going to use the circle. Hey, 3x. Does 3x share a buddy? Well, x is a common variable. And there's an x. And remember, in front of this x is that sneaky or implied 1 right here. Okay, so both 3x and 1x share the same variable. So both 3 and 1 share the same variable, and I'll use a triangle to signify this one. Okay? Good. And let's see, 9, even though they're constants, 9 and 7 are constants, but again, they are both like terms. Even though they both don't have a buddy, they are still like terms. They are constants. And they are both like terms. So I'm going to use a star to signify these two. Okay? I'll use a star to signify these two. Okay. And finally, 4y to the second power is by itself. It does not have a common term. Or a like term. When combining like terms in an expression, include the operations before the term. Okay, so let's see. So in this case, we have 3a to the second power, and we have 2a to the second power. Notice I'm going to include the plus sign. So when I combine these terms, I'm going to get 3 plus 2, which is 5a squared. Now let me rewrite that so it's a little bit clearer. We will get, we will get 5 a to the second power, or a squared. Okay? And now 5b, or with the plus sign, does it have a common like term? Yes. So then we'll include the subtraction sign. So minus 4b. And I'll use a box. Okay, so 5 minus 4 is 1. So we will say plus. And since 1b is that sneaky 1, we're going to just write b by itself. Okay? Then we have plus 11b to the second power and minus 6. Both do not have like terms, so we'll just bring them straight down. And keep, again, the sign in front. Plus 11b to the second power minus 6. And here is my simplified expression after I combined my like terms. Okay. Simplify the like terms, okay, which means combine the like terms. So simplify and combine the like terms. Okay, so looking at this expression, we have x to the second power and its like term of 8x to the second power. And so we're going to do this 1, the sneaky 1 that's in front. We're going to do 1 plus 8, which is 9x squared. Okay? And this minus 2y does not have a like term, so we will bring it straight down, including the subtraction sign. Minus 2y. Therefore, my simplified expression after combining the like terms is 9x to the second power minus 2y. Simplify and combine the like terms. Okay. So first we have 6b plus 5b minus 4b are all like terms. Again, they share the same variable, the same buddy. Okay. So first, following order of operations, we'll add and subtract from left to right. So I'm going to add 6 plus 5, which gives me 11b, minus 4b. Okay, and then I'm going to combine these terms. 11b minus 4b is 7b. And then I'm going to bring this minus 3a straight down. So my simplified expression, when combining the like terms, is 7b minus 3a. Okay, so for homework tonight, you will need to answer number 1, where you will identify the like terms, and again, you can use shapes such as squares, triangles, circles, and stars. And on questions 2 and 3, you will need to simplify and combine the like terms. Remember to include the operation in the front, and then to combine the like terms by simply adding or subtracting the numbers. Please have the homework ready and prepare to be checked on Wednesday, November 5th. Thank you for watching the Combining Like Terms video.